Hey guys, Gail here. We are in London, England. I'm so excited to be here. Can't wait to check it out. So glad you're here. Let's do London, England. Am I right? So we stayed at the Great Northern Hotel, which was directly beside King's Cross train station, which made getting anywhere in the city so super easy. Okay, so we're at the Great Northern Hotel. This is our pantry.
And it's a Weston.
It's a Weston. What is this? Oh, caramel wafer biscuits. Oh my gosh.
Anytime. You can come anytime, day or night.
Anytime. Would you like some chamomile tea? Yes.
And from now on, please do not refer to your trash as trash. Please call it the bin.
We're going to call it the bin,
Please
not the
throw it
can.
in the bin, not the trash.
And it's not garbage, it's rubbish.
Rubbish, please, from now on.
Please, people, come on.
Have some couth.
Have some.
Rubbish bin,
There we go.
not trash.
I love it. So far, so good. Built in 1854, this place has some history. Really glad that we got to stay here. Can't wait to check out my room. So come with me, let's check it out. So let's see, guys. Look at that. Hello, Mr. Cruz. Oh, this is great.
It's not much
Train
different
station.
than a cruise ship.
It's very similar.
As the space goes,
Yeah.
check out the bathroom.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, let's do. Don't tell me twice. Oh, don't let him in.
Yeah.
Yeah, great bathroom.
Nice.
Very nice. A+.
Good job, Jeff.
Right? Guys, so we had a little problem with our air conditioner. It just was not working, and the people here did such a great job. They gave us another room. They were very kind. My bed's a little bigger, and I have a tub, which I wasn't happy about not having air conditioning, but I am super happy that I have this room now. Am I right? Sometimes things happen for a reason. All right, guys, it's a new city, a new day, and a new hop on, hop off with these guys. Guys, I was told how great a city London was, and London did not disappoint. So what do we have? We have it's a pass. It's a city pass or something?
Yes, it's called City Pass.
And
It gets you into all these different attractions. London Eye is one of them, Westminster Abbey, Hampton Court, London Tower, pretty much the iconic ones. It's the all-inclusive.
So we booked our tickets through our pass, and we have a time which is 6 o'clock.
Correct.
And currently it is what time?
5:30-ish?
5:42. 5:42. They say
These are
don't.
the 5:30 people.
So these people are back here, guys. I'm not joking. There's a long line all the way there, and there's a line there, and there's a line there. It's like a long.
However, if it is important to you and you don't want to use your London Pass, there was a fast track line, which I'm sure you pay more for. It's
Sure.
a much shorter line.
Yes, even that line itself was kind of long, though.
Fast track,
Honestly.
sure, but it's probably a quarter of what.
And she said this line's probably 45 minutes after
This
you
is
get
30
in the
to
line.
40 minutes, then the eye itself is 30, so.
So that being said, I think we're just gonna say,
Yeah.
at least for me in this moment, it's just not worth it.
For me, it's not that important.
No. This is the end of that line I was trying to show you, and this continues. It continues and continues and continues. I had every intention of trying to come back and doing the London Eye maybe at a better time of day, and we just didn't get around to it. I am very curious if you've ever done the London Eye. Were the lines like this, and did it take you really only 35 minutes? I would love to hear your experience. All right, next stop is for my Harry Potter fans. If you're not a Harry Potter fan, no worries. This will only take a minute, but it is platform 9 3/4. The portal that took them to the train to get them to Hogwarts. And of course, like any magical place, there's a gift shop. They sell butterbeer, I'm on it. I want frozen butterbeer. Okay, Harry Potter fans, let me know, frozen or not frozen butterbeer? Oh, have you ever done the little, I know you have. Does he rivet? Do it again, bud. Do it again. I'm ready for you. Do it again. Oh no, I totally remember now. I'm Ravenclaw. That's who I am. I'm Ravenclaw. Who are you?
know that?
Because you took a test. You took a test and a personality test.
Gryffindor.
Are you
She's
Slytherin?
Slytherin. I'm Gryffindor.
We never took it for him.
I took it.
He is lying on my vlog.
I'm Slytherin.
Oh, Megan. Megan.
Look out.
I can see that though. Food stop number 1, fish and chips. I have been waiting on this meal and it was delicious. Just had to give it a little shout out. Megan, does smell like chocolate chip cookies. Where are we?
Harrods.
Harrods. You don't know? What is Harrods?
Harrods is a massive shopping store, department store. They say better than Macy's. Ever dreamt about being. No offense, Macy's.
We love you, Macy's. All right, so now we're gonna go check it out. So several people told me while in London, you have to check out Harrods if you even remotely like shopping. So of course, I'm gonna check it out. What I think is cool about Harrods, of course, we've all seen these regular shopping areas, and Harrod has a ton of those. But what's really cool are things that make Harrods somewhat unique. And I think what a great way to end a great day in London than in Harrods. Come with me, let's check it out. OMG. Oh, there's macaroons. Where's macaroons?
Right over there.
Oh. Macaroons. Look at all those, am I right? For days. Yep, tons and tons and tons. Little ice creams. They do have like cuts of meat in here too, Wani. Are you salivating? Got a wellness clinic. Can you read that? A wellness clinic. We're gonna figure that out. Also, we missed it, but Gordon Ramsay's burgers. All right.
Therapy, dietitian,
This is what you can do there.
vitamin infusions, sport massages, podiatry.
You can do it all.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
Vitamins.
Vitamin
Can they do a organ transplant? Like take a kidney from me so I can chop it. We have plans to go to the Ritz-Carlton for tea later this week, but we had debated on coming here because they say their tea is also very nice. So we thought we'd just drop by there and just look and see what it looks like there. Of course, I'll bring you with me for tea later this week, but we can compare the two. If you have 499 pounds, you can take home this Queen Elizabeth bear.
They didn't want to go to 5 because that would seem a little ostentatious.
Right. $4.99 is fine. $4.99 just works just fine. Okay, here is my official suggestion after shopping all through Harrods today. If you want a memento but you don't have a ton of money, then go to the very ground floor, the basement or ground, and it is the gift shop. It has all kinds of great Harrods things for reasonably priced comparatively. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with us today. We have got so many more fun things coming up. Tomorrow, we are headed to Windsor Castle. Can't wait to share that experience with you. But for today, I just want to say thanks for coming along. It's been a great day in London, England. Am I right?